Well, we've learned an elite military unit at Moffett Field will soon head overseas on a classified mission. Not many people know about these guys. Deborah Ferrantino is a KPIX special correspondent. She got extraordinary access to this special ops team. Tell us about it.
Oh, thanks, Ken. Well, I first met a team a year ago in Afghanistan and soon learned there's a rescue unit in the Bay Area. Once you see what they do, you'll understand why the U.S. military calls them Guardian Angel.
In the movie Black Hawk Down, a U.S. assault operation in Somalia goes terribly wrong.
We got a Black Hawk Down.
Under fire, special forces jump into action to rescue and recover the injured and dying. But it's not just a Hollywood fantasy. It's real.
You could actually see the mushroom cloud coming up from a 500-pound bomb.
When U.S. troops are cut off and in desperate need of medical help, they call
These guys, the special ops team no one's ever heard of.
the U.S. Air Force Pararescue.
These folks are simply an amazing national treasure.
Fearless, rugged, highly trained.
We do what we do because we enjoy it. And we do what we do because we want to bring people home.
We just flew in from Bagram, Afghanistan.
I first met the force a year ago during Operation Enduring Freedom.
Our forces have been simply all over the world.
One wing, the 129th, is stationed at Moffett Field as part of the California Air National Guard. On this day, training for a classified deployment.
This empty with no extra training gear on it is 800 pounds.
Inside this cube, called a Rams package, an inflatable Zodiac boat, an engine, fuel, and medical gear. The package gets pushed out of an MC-130P combat shadow aircraft thousands of feet above the Pacific Ocean. Seconds later, pararescuemen jump, follow, secure, and inflate the boat in the water.
So this is your first Rams jump?
First Rams jump, yep.
On board, two newbies.
It's just a great learning experience, so yeah, I'm totally stoked.
The flight crew practices aerial refueling to an HH-60G Pavehawk helicopter. These Pavehawks conduct rescue and recovery ops into hostile environments. An example, when they rescued American soldiers caught in Taliban crossfire.
We actually took the helicopter, we put one wheel on the ground, we were able to grab him and just pull him onto the helicopter because there was no way to just hop out at that point.
Closer to home, the missions are extensive.
Things we do that others may live is our wing motto.
From the rimfires in California to the Rebel Heart Rescue Mission, where they found a disabled boat in the middle of the Pacific Ocean and saved the life of an American infant.
What they would tell you is it was just another day at the office.
Bottom line,
We can rescue you anytime, any place, under any circumstances.
no one ever quits.
65% of the rescue wing are in the reserves. They have day jobs. They're doctors, software engineers, teachers, you name it. When needed, they put their lives on the line to save others.
Yeah, you and I were talking about this the other day when I was watching some of this video, and we were talking about the perfect storm, that whole incident. The PJs were there, and they rescued many people out of that storm. You sat with them. You were in the helicopters with them. How tough is their training?
Extremely tough. 90% of those who enroll fail. And they're the only asset in the Department of Defense that's solely dedicated to rescue and recovery. It's quite a treasure, Ken.
Yeah, amazing group of dedicated Americans.
Yeah.
Deborah, thank you for that.